All my work now revolves around helping people to avoid getting hurt in the workplace. So I spent the first 10 or so years of my career helping patch people up after they got hurt, sporting injuries, work injuries. Now I find it far more rewarding to help people to avoid getting hurt in the first place. My intention is to inspire people to be better about their work tasks and find clever and smarter ways to go about their tasks without sustaining an injury.
I worked with Daniel on the civil side of things when we were doing the Move Safe training, so working about all the correct splat principles when we were lifting and doing manual tasks. And then I've also worked with Dan on this side of the safety when we had to do an ergonomics assessment of a garbage truck in correct setup for the drivers.
So the indoor workers, the office-based workers, it's giving them advice regarding their workstation setup in regards to ergonomics, encouraging them to move more and still undertake some exercise whilst they're in the office place, given how sedentary that type of work can be. For the outdoor workers, it's about talking to them about being more careful with the physical aspects of their job, how they lift and move and position themselves. Also providing advice from a risk management perspective, so helping the council to identify and eliminate where they can the hazards related to the manual tasks that they undertake.
So the most beneficial is Dan's knowledge on the subject of ergonomics and the way that the body sort of injuries can occur from just incorrect posture and positioning when you're undertaking a task. On the civil side, using Daniel's knowledge was obviously like the keeping your shoulders at the correct distance when you actually have to lift quite a heavy load, when there is circumstances when you want to get a team lift and you can't when you're in a laboursome task. But adapting the principles that Dan taught, it was beneficial in preventing injuring myself.
Yeah, we've been really very happy to see some of the outcomes with the council's reductions in lost time injuries, the total recordable injuries. We've seen changes in that as well. We work very closely with the safety team, so where we need to, we target parts of the council or aspects of the work that are resulting in some concerns or identified hazards.
Just going around talking to the workers, they have also suggested, that the training that Daniel's been providing has been excellent. So it just gives them a new perspective of things to look at. So it's been great.